Are you looking to learn the accordion from scratch or take your existing skills to the next level? Hello, my name is Nicola and I'm here to guide you every step of the way, whether you're just starting out or want to elevate your playing to new heights. It doesn't matter what your age or music experience is. Even if you have a very busy schedule, I will help you achieve your musical goals with creativity, passion and professionalism. I'm an experienced accordion teacher, and over the years I've helped hundreds of students from around the world go from complete beginners to confident accordion players, and I'm here to help you do the same.
I have been taking online lessons with Nicola since the end of March 2023. Anyone who is really interested in playing the accordion is in the right place with Nicola. He works with you in a very structured way, picks you up where you are and helps you to succeed.
With over 18 years of accordion expertise and a rich history of performances at concerts, events and competitions, I bring the stage to your fingertips. I've lived the journey from passionate beginner to seasoned performer, so I know exactly what it takes to grow into a confident and skilled musician. My teaching method, it's all about you. Simple, clear and 100% tailored to your goals. Whether you are picking up the accordion for the first time or fine-tuning your performance skills, I'm here to guide you every step of the way.
I always enjoy doing online classes because Nicolas is a good teacher. I have lots of fun with it. And what I also like is the community. Other students exchange experiences. I also like that a lot. So I see a lot of other people from other countries with other tastes for music. So that's also what I particularly like. Before I took classes, I remained a bit stuck in what I already knew, and I was also not encouraged to do something else. So that's what I particularly like. And I always find it, in Holland we say it's gezellig. So it is nice. I like to talk to him. He's a nice guy. I improved my technique a lot. That's the progression. Yeah, that's a progression. And if I look at the pieces I played 5 years ago and I play now, I think from, oh, okay, that's kind of nice. Can I recommend taking these classes? Absolutely. The level of experience that Nicola gives cannot be found easily, I think. So also, Nicola, thank you to you.
What makes my lessons different? We start slowly breaking everything into easy to follow steps. No overwhelming details, just step by step, simple guidance. This isn't boring pre-recorded video course. I'm here with you. My lessons are live, personal and tailored to your progress. And the best part, you can learn from the comfort of your home through my online lessons whenever and wherever it suits your schedule. No matter your current level, you'll be able to make steady progress and have fun along the way.
It's online lessons, and I like online lessons because it's more convenient. You can stay at your home and have lessons, and then it doesn't matter that it's in person or not, because Nicola can hear what I'm playing, and he corrected me, and then he asked me to practice more on one song, and yeah, so I like online lessons. It doesn't wasting time going somewhere, and you can sit in your home and have lessons with a teacher.
I truly believe that with the right guidance, anyone can make real progress. After only a couple of lessons, many of my students have shared things like, I never imagined I could play like this, and things like this was exactly what I needed to improve. And it's been amazing to see how far they've come, and I know you can experience the same growth. In just a few weeks, you'll be able to play your favorite songs confidently, surprise your family and friends with the beautiful sound of the accordion, develop a skill that brings you joy and pride for years to come. This isn't just another app or random video. It's a one-on-one session where I'll focus on you, your goals, your struggles and your dreams. And to make it even easier for you to get started, I'm offering a free trial lesson. That's right. No commitment, no risk. I want you to experience firsthand how fun, effective and rewarding it is to learn the accordion with me. So, what are you waiting for? This is your chance to start your musical journey and unlock your potential. Click the link below to book your free trial lesson now, and let's make beautiful music together.